Hello there, Photographitech here. Today, let us talk some things about the newly launched Galaxy Z Fold 5 by Samsung. It is the 5th generation foldable phone from this company. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The biggest change in this generation is they redesigned the hinge and the company called this as Flex Hinge. Because of this Flex Hinge, the phone weighs 253 grams, which is 10 grams lighter than previous version, and thickness of 13 millimeters. This device comes in 3 different colors: icy blue, phantom black and cream color. Among these 3 colors, I personally like icy blue. This time, it comes with the ultimate 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED main display and 6.2-inch cover display. With 120Hz refresh rate and both screens have HDR10 Plus support. It has the better viewing experience while you're watching a movie when the phone is unfolded. It comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is optimized for Samsung mobiles. Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is the best processor in the Android segment. This fold phone has Samsung's flagship cameras, which is 50 megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization and 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera and 10 megapixel telephoto lens. And it has 10 megapixel exterior front camera on the cover screen and 4 megapixel interior under-display camera on the main display. Coming to the features, many features are as same as the previous version, and I personally like some biggest changes in this generation foldable devices. Firstly, these foldable devices are specialized for multitasking, which improves productivity for the end user. Multi-window view takes your multitasking to the next level. It helps you to keep 3 windows open at a time on one screen. In this generation foldable device, we can add up to 4 recently used applications in the bottom dock, which is available when we swipe it up from the bottom while using another application. I think Samsung is trying to build an ecosystem among the Samsung devices, just like what Apple did for their devices. It has a new feature called multi-control. It lets you use keyboard and mouse among Samsung tabs and Z Fold devices. It makes it easier to copy and paste, drag and drop among these devices. These are some upgrades in this generation foldable devices. That's it for the day, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.